just left the scrapyard. I said I just left the scrapyard. Somebody in there? How you doing? Hold on, that thing gonna get caught on this. That it's gonna get caught on there. Hold on. Alright, you should be able to push it. Go ahead.
That thing in the way down there on that thing?
Push it.
Okay. You're gonna have to go over that way because this here. Push it back in just a little bit.
Huh?
Okay.
It's door frame right there on this side.
See that where? See that little metal thing there?
That ain't in the way though. That is.
I know. That's what I'm.
What size? What type of bit that need?
Huh?
What size bit that need?
This ain't no bit. It's a.
It's got to be a bit in there holding it in there. I mean, it's a screw, a bolt, something holding it in there.
Yeah, it's like a half 16.
Would that fit? Too big?
It look like it.
You can just take the bit off of there. What's going inside? What's that? It ain't a bolt going into the fridge?
Yeah, it's small. It's hold on, I'm making it right. Too small. I need a little bit bigger one.
A little bigger? Here. Here. What up?
What's up, baby? Let me know if you need some help.
All right, I got you. Hey,
That's who they got up in here.
yo, you had a fire over there?
Man, somebody tried to burn me out of there.
What?
Yeah, I was up here in Akron, man. I came home and yeah, that shit was looking like that.
Wow. I'm over here grabbing some refrigerators where my uncle used to that shit my uncle used to own. I'm over here grabbing some refrigerators, so I rolled back there and I seen your back door. I said, what the fuck?
I was in Akron, man. I came home. I was like, man, somebody tried to set my shit on fire, man.
Man, you gonna have to get some cameras up in there, huh?
Yeah.
You gonna have to get some cameras. I know where you can order them at, the same ones I got, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna send you the link as soon as I get done doing this shit. I'm gonna send you the link so you can order them. And it come with 4 cameras, so you can just put one in your backyard, one in the front of the house or whatever, and put 2 on the side or some shit. That way you can see what's going on.
Yeah, that's what I need, man.
All right, I'll get it to you as soon as I get done working.
Okay.
All right.
We gotta push it up a little bit and get it in.
All right, hold on.
This back then, pretty good.
All right, here it comes. You gotta push that door a little. There you go.
Right there.
With that wash, I mean that what's called ain't fit. You want a Sawzall? Sawzall? I'll give you a Sawzall.
Yeah, okay.
That motherfucking blade ain't gonna work, is it? That baby bent to hell. Let's see what we got. This gonna have to work because this is all I got. This work. Here. Good. Oh, that cord. Let me cut it. Yeah, the plug. You don't want to breathe that in. Hey! What's up with my old buddy, old pal, old friend?
How you doing?
Oh, I'm good. I got a question for you though. When you get some free time, come over to my house because I need an estimate on something. I want to move my washer and dryer into that other room because it's a closet. That closet big enough to fit them in there. So I just want to see how much it'll cost to...
if I can get back in that motherfucker.
Get back in where?
To put a new, different drain in.
It's not a game.